You will never win when you are constantly running from your battles. Being positive doesn't mean you don't ever have negative thoughts. It just means you don't let those thoughts control your life. Judge yourself by your past. You don't live there anymore. Don't use your energy to worry. Use your energy to believe. It's better when you don't care what other people think. It takes time to learn how to be alone without being lonely, but once you do, it's called freedom. Sitting alone and enjoying your own company is better than being surrounded people by a fake people. Show respect even to people who don't deserve it, not as a reflection of their character but as a reflection of yours. I forgive people. It doesn't mean I accept their behavior or trust them. It means I forgive them for me so I can let go and move on with my life. Respect yourself enough to walk away from anything that no longer serves you, grows you, or makes you happy. Life is like a book. Some chapters are sad, some are happy, and some are exciting. But if you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter has in store for you. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. When someone special enters your life unexpectedly, don't let them go. They were probably brought into your life for a reason. Be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be humble but not timed. Be proud but not arrogant. We forget that waking up each day is the first thing we should be grateful for. An entire sea of water can't sink a ship unless it gets inside. The ship similarly, the negativity of the world can't put down unless you allow it to get inside you. Before you argue with someone, ask yourself, is that person even mentally mature enough to grasp the concept of different perspective, because if not, there's absolutely no point. My greatest treasure is my family. We may not be perfect, but I love them with all my heart. You gotta look for the good in the bad, the happy in the sad, the gain in your pain, in what makes you grateful, not hateful. Never accept anything less than what you deserve. Remember, you teach people how to treat you. Sometimes I just want someone to hug me, and why I know it's hard. You are going to be okay. Here is chocolate and $6 million. People are not as beautiful as they look and talk. They are only as beautiful as they love, as they care, as they share. Don't wait for things to get better. Life will always be complicated. Learn to be happy right now. Otherwise, you all run out of time. When you start taking care of yourself, you start feeling better, you start looking better, and you start to attract better. It all starts with you.